Top social media platforms for small businesses and why you should be on them. Once you have identified the right platforms for your brand, it's time to get cracking on the strategy. Now, there is no one-size-fits-all plan for this. Every platform is different from the other, and each of them has a different algorithm. As mentioned before, the first step is to create a profile on all of them. Your username or display name should be as close to the name of your business as possible. The exact same one if you can manage that. Then you must add all the required information to your profile. Add the logo as your display image, and you're almost done. Finally, you must make sure that the people running these accounts have access to the accounts as an administrator. Facebook. This one has a giant user base, with more than 2 billion active users monthly. Your target customers are almost certain to be on this platform, which means you absolutely cannot ignore it. And luckily for small businesses, this platform is all about making it easy to build an audience through paid advertising. They target individual accounts based on those who engage with your organic or unpaid posts, because it is a good bet that they are interested in what you have to say. Content-wise, there are a few things to look out for. It is very pro-conversations. So if someone likes your page, they will get updates about your sales, promotions, product launches, and upcoming events. So if you give them the right content and get them to engage with you, the chances of them entering and staying in your universe are pretty good. Twitter. This is another great place for individuals and businesses to talk to each other. There are many tools that cater specifically to small businesses. It is very high-paced, with more than 500 million tweets sent out every day. There are more than 320 million active users monthly on Twitter, and you need some manpower to keep up with the pace of things. LinkedIn. Then, there is one of the oldest social media platforms. LinkedIn has been around since 2002. Just like the other social media giants, it offers several solutions for small businesses. It has more than 250 million active users monthly, and it is one of the most popular platforms among business-to-business marketers. Now, this is a place to connect with other business professionals, so if an individual is following your company's profile, they are very likely to check out the information put out rather keenly. This is also a good place for video content. So create videos sharing insights about your product or service, and if you do a good job, you will see a huge boost to engagement. Then, you need to figure out how often you must share these updates. One post a week actually gets you great results on LinkedIn. Make sure your employees are your brand ambassadors.